So meron tayo dito ng dalawang storm camping fan. Meron silang remote, parehong pareho. Tingnan natin para makita natin. Mako-control sila ng isang remote lang. See? Parang pareho sila, magkaiba lang yung kulay. This one is AuraShare. This one is just a generic one. Na pareho sila sa Shopee lang din. One is 1,700 pesos after discount. And this one is 1,060 pesos after discount. So, ang laki ng pagkakaiba nila. Pero, wala namang pagkakaiba sa physical dimension except yun, may AuraShare yung isa. Ang isa, walang AuraShare. Wala. But, they have the same exact thing. It's the same exact thing except, again, this one, itong AuraShare, although wala rin naman siyang tatak na AuraShare dito except itong taas. Meron siyang specs na nakasulat sa English. And then ito, nakasulat sa Chinese. M65. But it still has the same 2,000 milliamp battery. And it has the same strength. So, tip lang yan para hanapin nyo kung saan kayo mas practical, makakatipid, and but of course yung warranty, I think pare-pareho lang naman yan na walang warranty. Oh, ayan oh. See? So, just a tip, quick video.